Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to remove background in Capcut. Alright, first of all, open your Capcut app on your Android phone. Then you have to import the video or photo to the Capcut. And here I have imported my video and we are going to remove the background of this video. Alright, we gotta click on this video. Just click on it, then scroll all the way to the right until you find cutout option. It's right here, guys. Just click on cutout option, then choose remove background. Alright, and now the background has been removed from our video and we can choose the cutout stroke by clicking on cutout stroke option, and you can choose the cutout stroke that you want. For example, I'm going to choose straight cut stroke right here. Just click on the cutout stroke that you like, and we can adjust the size or opacity. If you want to increase the size, you can go right like this. All right. And okay guys, that's how we can remove background from our video in Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.